today. Don't tell my husband, but I've been to the range again. And this time I've been buying bird food. So got some fat balls. This favourites blend, which has got suet pellets, mealworms, seeds of varying descriptions, sunflowers. The robin especially will enjoy that one, and just a standard seed mix, and of course a couple of feeders to put them in. So I was supposed to be at home today doing housework, but it's just absolutely glorious, so I thought I'll come down, enjoy the sunshine, and I'm going to get these feeders up in the apple tree, because that's where I enjoy watching the birds feeding. I'm sorry if I'm squinting, the sun is shining straight into the greenhouse. Feeling practically blinded right now. Let's go do some work. Rob clearly knows what we're up to, because I've barely even started and he's just turned up and started singing at me. Hey Rob. I have no idea if the camera's picking him up through this. Oh, there he goes. He's over there now. There we go then, those are all up in the tree. I chose this tree because the birds already hang out here quite a lot, especially robin. But I've seen some blue tits, some great tits, and various other small birds as well. So I'm hoping now they'll come along, find the feeders, and enjoy them. Naturally, I forgot to bring something very important, a tub to store the bird food in. So I'll have a look in the container, but I don't think I've got any lidded tubs left up here. I might have to take the feed home with me to put it in a tub and then bring it back again. Nothing like making extra work for yourself, is there? I hope you've enjoyed the sunshine today as well. Thanks for watching. I think he approves. Isn't that good, Rob?